Hi, I'm Lucy from Hair That Turns Heads, and today I'm going to show you how to create a fishtail plait. So the first thing I did was spray my hair with some dry shampoo just to give it a bit more grip. I'm going to add a bit of height on top. This is optional, you don't have to do this. I'm going to make a parting down the sides here with my Pintail comb. I'm going quite far back so that I can get as much height as possible. Now that I've got those clipped out of the way, I'm going to put the back section, the whole of the back section, into a ponytail. So just use a little bit of hairspray as well to hold it. So I'm using the Moroccan oil. So I can unclip these bits now. And I'm going to just do a little bit of back combing, and I'm going to start taking sections from the middle, and I'm going to work from the middle to the sides and then forward. So now I look a little bit crazy, but I'm going to smooth the back combing out so it won't look so bad. Grab your brush, so like a brush with really soft bristles, you don't want anything too harsh that's going to get caught, and then just smooth it out a bit. And so gather it all around your ponytail, like so. If you're happy with it, just give it another little spray. And remember to check it from the back with another mirror as well, to make sure that it's all tidy or how you want it to look. So I've now got a little elastic band, and I'm going to just go in and go around my top of my ponytail with my elastic band. So I've got one big ponytail. So now that I'm happy with my ponytail, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover my hairband. It helps if you have one of these little tools. It's like a little Topsy tail tool, I think it's called. It doesn't really have a name. So what I'm going to do is before I try and cover it, I'm going to slot it in through under the elastic band. So once you've got it under your hairband, it will be easier to do this. So grab a skinny piece of hair like so, and I'm just going to wind it around the elastic band. You can use a pin to secure it, but this way it's actually a lot more secure. So once you get to the end, pull it through, grab the end of your Topsy tail, pull it through. Now I'm going to move on to the fishtail plait. So what you want to do is split your ponytail into two sections, like so. And the idea is to take a strand of hair from the outer edges and fold them over each other. You can start with either side, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to start on this side. I'm going to take a strand of hair and I'm going to add it into this side. And then I'm going to do exactly the same on the other side. So I'm going to take a strand of hair, I'm going to fold it over to the opposite side. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep on going. I'm going to stop about here, so I've got enough hair to cover my elastic band. So I'm just going to pop it around. Make sure that you don't make your band too tight, because you want to be able to get your little ponytail tool through the elastic. There we go. Just add a little bit of hairspray. I really hope you like this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully see you soon.